In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Mandeville Primary won and decided to send St. Richard's Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with St. Richard's Primary and Bible knowledge. To which person did God first give the covenant of circumcision?
Moses.
Incorrect, it's Abraham. Mandeville, who dreamed that the sun and the moon and 11 stars bowed down to him?
Joseph.
Correct. Jamaican affairs, it's a visual, St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Richard Thompson. Richard Thompson.
Correct. Mandeville, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Richard Biles. Richard Biles.
Incorrect, it's Richard Vernon, the mayor of Montego Bay. St. Richard's, science. What do the sebaceous glands in the human skin produce?
Sebum. Sebum.
Correct, sebum or oil. Mandeville, what is the name of the glands which produce perspiration in the human body?
Glands. Sweat glands.
Correct. Television is a visual. This is for St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Judy Hopps. Judy Hopps.
Correct. Mandeville, will look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Mrs. Incredible.
Incorrect. It's Helen Parr or Helen or Elastigirl. St. Richard's Primary, English language, spell sympathy.
Who wants to spell? You can find. S-Y-M-P-A-T-H-Y.
Correct. Mandeville, spell bewilder.
B-E-W-I-L-D-E-R.
Correct. St. Richard's, sports, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
No, Donovan Bennett. Keith Wellington.
Keith Wellington.
Incorrect, it's Garth Gale, the JAAA president. Mandeville, look at the monitor and identify this person.
No, Nattersall.
Incorrect, it's Christopher Samuda, the JOA president. General knowledge for St. Richard's. In what year will we have the next leap year?
2028.
2028.
That's right. General knowledge for Mandeville. What period of time elapses between each leap year?
366 days.
Judge? Incorrect, it's 4 years. Social studies for St. Richard's Primary. In Jamaica, which tree has the botanical name Hibiscus elatus?
The Blue Maho.
The Blue Maho.
That is correct. Mandeville, in Jamaica, which fruit has the botanical name Blaya sapida?
Aki.
Aki.
That's right. Mathematics for St. Richard's. What is 8.99 plus 11.96?
20.95.
That is correct. Mandeville, what is 11.87 plus 13.98?
25.85.
Correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Mandeville Primary on 5 and St. Richard's Primary on 7. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Visualize success. Imagine yourself doing well in exams or completing assignments to boost confidence. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.